Attorneys began calling their witnesses today in the case against the Rochester police officer facing charges in an assault case. Prosecutors say Officer Michael Sipple assaulted Christopher Pate after mistaking him for a wanted man last May. Kayla Green was in court and has more.
This trial is showing two sides to a story. One being that Officer Michael Sipple committed police brutality, the other that the alleged victim, Christopher Pate, had a bias against police. Sipple's attorney worked to prove the latter today.
Does prejudice go away? I suppose maybe, but I think once you have a bias, it's part of the person's makeup.
Zimmerman called a past Irondequoit police officer to the stand. Sergeant Stephen McNeil testified about an encounter he had with Pate 9 years ago. McNeil says he was helping another officer with a traffic stop and Pate showed up on scene. McNeil says Pate didn't comply with orders to take his hands out of his pockets, and McNeil says they eventually handcuffed Pate.
Where his fear comes from, I don't know. You can call it fear, you can call it bias, whatever it is. It boils down to not cooperating with reasonable police demands.
Last week, Sipple's partner, Officer Spencer McAvoy, testified that Pate didn't comply with orders he and Sipple gave him during the incident that's the focus of this trial. Some of this was caught on police body cameras and is being used as evidence in the case. Sipple's attorney also called a witness to the stand to help prove his claim that Sipple had reason to believe the man they were arresting was a wanted man, James Barrett. Last week, Christopher Pate testified saying he showed ID that day. Whether or not Sipple had the right to approach and later arrest Pate has been one of the critical debates throughout this trial. Adam?
Thanks, Kayla. You may be wondering why you haven't been hearing from the prosecutor throughout the coverage of this trial. Well, she's been sick and has declined comment. The defense rested today, and closing arguments will begin tomorrow morning at 10:30.